Hello, this is Fuki from CoinLudens. Today I'm going to talk about Flash Matrix. Unlike the normal matrix, all the coins gather at once. Previously published in the Backfire Matrix content, I explained the two parts of the routine, the normal matrix and the Backfire Matrix. At that time, I think I said the Flash Matrix that followed was not yet ready to be shared from its poor satisfactory. But I have finally made one that I'm satisfied with, so I would like to introduce them this time. Of course, the two matrices I have introduced in the past and this Flash Matrix can perform together. Now, let's get to the explanations.